Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new YouTuber, you probably have the struggle of coming up with video ideas for your channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 25 video ideas that you can use to grow your channel in the year of 2022. The first idea is trying TikTok viral. We all know that TikTok blew up since the pandemic, and a lot of people are recommending products on TikTok that has since gone viral. TikTok viral products is one of the most searchable terms on YouTube. Trying out TikTok viral products can really gain you some attention and attract potentially a lot of audience. Just want to remind you though, all the content ideas that I recommend here, you need to tweak it and adjust it based on the niche of your channel. Don't just randomly throw in products that you think you can attract attention, because at the end of the day, if you go too far away from the niche of your channel, it might attract the wrong kind of audience and eventually will affect your channel growth in the long run. The second idea is how to ... So how to contents are almost like evergreen, constantly searched contents. People come across problems every single day. A lot of them come to YouTube to find solutions. So create how-to videos to address certain pain points or problems of your potential audience can really help attract audience and gain subscribers. The next one is transformation videos. People love to see before and after results, and they love those transformation videos. It's a great idea to show people any type of products that you are trying or any type of projects that you're involved in. The next video idea is a little bit similar to transformation videos. That is makeover videos. It's also a similar concept where you involved in a project to make over your room or your van or something that is related to your niche. The next video idea is a Q&A video. Q&A videos are a great way to be more connected with your audience, to let them know you a little bit better, connect with your personality. This is a great content if you already have a small amount of followers or subscribers that you can grow your engagement with them. The next idea is a self-care day. Mental health is one of the subjects that everybody talks about, and it's very, very important no matter what niche or what profession you're in. Show them a vlog about how you self-care, how you care for your mental health. Let your audience learn more about you as a person and connect with you. The next idea is a morning and night routine. It could be a workout routine that you usually do. It can be a beauty or makeup routine. It could be a cooking routine or prepping meal for your kids kind of routine. It's likely very relatable to your audience and they will feel connected with you and attract more engagement. Next idea is a best advice based on your niche. These are likely videos that you share with your audience, the mistakes that you made in the past based on your niche, advise your audience how to avoid these mistakes. These are also great to make your audience feel really relatable because everybody make mistakes. The next idea is a haul video. People love to watch haul videos. It's very entertaining and people like to see what people buy and feel like they are buying the same things as well. The next idea is a little bit similar to the haul video, which is a first impression video. So when you buy something, you can talk about the products that you just bought and give your audience the first impression of how you feel about the product. It can be adjusted to any type of niche. You can also engage with the audience by asking them whether they have used the product, how they like the product, things like that. The next idea is like a follow-up of the last idea. After you try those products, you can share a more detailed product review videos. So product review videos are great because they are specific to a certain product and it's typically searchable. Detailed review products are great to show your expertise and your knowledge in that specific subject. The next idea is a best product under $10 or best product under $100. People like to search and compare products. It attracts people's curiosity. They are typically very popular in their niche category, so highly recommend this. The next idea is a week in my life as a share with your audience what it's like to be you, to be doing something that you normally do in a week. People are really nosy and like to see other people's life. It's also a great way to give your audience a glimpse of your life, let them know you a little bit more and feel more connected with you. These are great if you already have a small amount of subscribers or followers and they would like to get to know more about you to build the loyalty to your channel. The next idea is how to start. These also can be adjusted to any type of niche. How to start doing something that you already been doing for a long time, how to become successful, the advice that you give them. Great to build authority and share your knowledge on specific subject. The next idea is a gifting guide. In this time of the year, the holidays around the corner, everybody's searching for these type of ideas and product recommendations. Gifting guides in this type of year is highly popular and highly searchable. Potentially can bring you a lot of growth in your channel. The next idea is unboxing. So this is also adjustable to any type of niche. Unboxing any products that you have bought or any type of products that you were gifted by brands, things like that. People just love unboxing videos. Next idea is how much I spend in a day on. These are also entertaining ideas that you can share with your audience or your followers as a vlog style content. It's highly entertaining and you make your followers and subscribers feel very adventurous. It makes your audience really engaged with you and like just spending the day with you. The next idea is a tour video. So it can be a home tour, a office desk tour, home office tour, then any type of tour that may be related to your niche. People are very nosy. They like to see how other people set up their office, their home, things like that. It's not only entertaining, it's also very inspiring. The next idea is a do's and don'ts video. This is the type of video where you build authority, share your knowledge on specific subjects with your audience. The next idea is I did for a specific period of time. I did keto diet for a month and this is what the result is, something like that. This is similar to transformation video, but it's more like a challenge. People like to see if you can go through a challenge, feel connected with you, but also learn about the process of doing something that they probably haven't tried before. Next video idea is tips and tricks. Tips and tricks is another evergreen content that you can use around your niche. People like tips and tricks. They like to learn about things that they've never tried before. They also never grow old. Even like once you create a content, they can be useful for a very, very long time. The next idea is learn from my mistakes. This video idea is basically you sharing with them your journey and the mistakes that you have made before and what you've learned from these mistakes. These videos are likely make your audience feel very relatable and also be inspired by the knowledge that you've learned. The next video idea is how to make money everybody likes to make money, so these are constantly evolving evergreen contents that will attract audience. It's also a great way for you to build authority and show your knowledgeability in specific subjects. The next idea is cheap versus expensive. These are basically comparison videos of two specific products. One is cheap, one is expensive. You can do a deep dive into reviewing these products to compare them. Dupe videos are highly searchable and people just like to see comparisons of things. The next idea is an idea list, just like this video. Listing videos are great to boost engagement and watch time because it's well structured and your potential audience will be curious about the things that you share on your list. You can also build authority in your niche and your audience will appreciate the knowledge and the value that you share with them. So these are 25 video ideas that you can use to help grow and blow up your channel in the month to come and in the year of 2022. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel currently. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.